This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about disposable plates, specifically these square plastic dinner plates. We have the square white medium plastic plate that's 8 1/4 inches across. And we also have the square black plastic dinner plate that's 10 3/4 inches across. Both of these sizes are available in the option of either the black or white color, giving you some nice color options to play with. The plates are made of recyclable plastic, and they give us a stylish, modern presentation that also is easy to clean up. The modern design has these great clean lines for a contemporary feel that really elevates the look of your food. You can see it features that nice, wide rim that also makes them easy to grip. The neutral color choices are perfect to complement any color scheme, making them a really versatile disposable option that's perfect for the service of apps, desserts, salads, and meals. These are great for any restaurant, cafe, caterer looking for a stylish disposable option that's also eco-friendly.